Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another working in K-pop vlog. In the morning at 11 a.m. I do a live broadcast, so before that we do like a rehearsal and everything, and then I'm going to show you guys what I do in the day, like kind of like a daily routine, what I do in my workday in my life. And then tomorrow it's actually our day to go live with a group called NCND and DreamNote. We are doing a live with DreamNote in the morning and MCND at night, so I have to wake up really early because I have to be on set by 9 a.m. and we actually end around like 9 to 10 p.m. as well, so it's a full day of working, but I'm super excited to see them. Our hard work for the full month finally paying off, and we are going live then. So without further ado, let's go to work and I'll see you guys there. Today I'm doing a live with MCND and DreamNote. Those are two K-pop groups here, and we're doing a live in Gimpo. Right now we're parked at outside a water supply factory because we're trying to buy water for the idols, but there's no like stores nearby that's open because here it's kind of like the countryside. We're in Gimpo, and yeah, so we're gonna go to the set soon, and I'm going to see DreamNote first. The live is at 2 p.m. and then the MCND live is at 7 p.m. so it's gonna be a long day, but I'm super excited to see them. See you guys.
이렇게 하면 좀 떨리는데?
자, 지켜본다.
건방 때 어떻게 하려니? 아니, 잘못했어요. 다시.
아닌데?
아니에요? 몸이 입술도 이렇게. 아니에요? 빨리 해야 되나?
잘하네.
Good.
Good.
Master.
2 hours later.
The idol's birthday, so I'm giving this to her during the live. Look at the clouds. Oh, yeah. Hey guys, so now we're going live with MCND. So I've been here for like 10 hours now. I'm so tired. See you guys.
네, MC 인사드리겠습니다. 브리즈, 안녕하세요, MCND입니다.
네, 잠시 후
뮤비TV에서 만나요.
처갓집이 둘이라고.
헐.
얘네 너무 귀엽게 해놨어 이렇게.
그러니까 너무 예쁘게 나왔어요. 나.
왜 이렇게 같은 옷 줘야지?
잘생겼어.
이거
다
이거
예쁘고.
인스타 스토리 오늘
랄리사 괜찮지 않아요? 블랙핑크? 할인해요. 이거 할까?
여기 있는 거라는데.
ATEEZ 저번에 이거 샀어요. 비버. 새로 나온 거 이거 아니에요? 아닌가? 아니다. And hi Ben.
Yes. 이거 한거 같은데. 아니, Who is this?
Ta-da! We have Hongjoong here.
Yes, we do have Hongjoong album. It's Tongwoo sticker, I think.
Yes.
Right? It's Tongwoo sticker. So we have a sticker of Tongwoo right now. And also this is
A
the
poster?
poster.
And oh my gosh,
There's a letter.
there's thank you
Right.
messages to
Wow,
the fans
from all of
behind.
them?
Yes.
Yes.
So
Handwritten too.
Yeah.
this is the poster that we got, and there's also a thank you letter. on
That's
the back.
crazy.
It's like
From
so
all-
long.
Heart touching. It's
Right.
completely in Korean though.
And it's all in their
No,
hand.
they also, I think
Oh,
Johnny,
Johnny
wrote
wrote
it
in
in
English.
English. And
Let me
Lauren-
read an English one for you
Yeah.
guys. So Johnny says, "Thanks to everyone who made this album possible."
둘, 셋. MCND. 안녕하세요, ATEEZ입니다. 네.
ATEEZ, I know. Look what I have here. I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max in 1 terabyte, you guys. Currently, I have the iPhone 11. So this is a big upgrade. I'm about to rip it open. I got my friend Ben to bring it for me from New York because the Korean phone has the clicking noise, the shutter noise when you take a photo, just because so many people here take secret cameras. Ah, so pretty. So I got this one from America, designed by Apple in California. Let's rip this together. So cool.